Hi, I'm the CEO of Geotab, and I'm here today to talk to you about how Geotab thinks about data and algorithms. We all know we're entering a new age where AI is fundamentally rewriting the rules about how we handle data and how we do processes in our business. And in order for AI to be successful, it's powered by data. And the better the quality of the data, the better your AI is going to be able to do a good job. If you think about what the engineering problem is, it's about how do you create a digital twin of what is happening in your vehicle in the cloud. It's really figuring out which of the data points carry information and which are the ones that don't. And so we have this really clever algorithm called Curve, and I'm going to give you an example of how it's deployed in a particular use case, which is about driving around a road. And effectively imagine that I have a GPS in a vehicle, and the GPS can tell me where the vehicle is, obviously. And so if I'm in a vehicle and I'm busy driving, I might be driving up this road here, turn right here, and then I turn left here. Now, traditional systems will send all of that data through to the server, and it will overwhelm the system, and it really doesn't really help when it comes to AI analyzing the data. And it's too expensive to send all of the data through all the time. So what we do is we use this algorithm to figure out which of the points there actually matter. It's quite clever. What we do is we say we're sending the first point and the last point, and the points in between are the ones that we're optimizing for. So imagine that we don't send any other points except the first and the last. Well, it would look like the vehicle actually drove right through the building over here and across the field over there, and it would be poor, right? There's a lot of error. So what we do is we say, okay, our algorithm will go and look and say, which is the point of maximum error in the estimation. So if you look here, this distance over here and this distance over here are our biggest points. This one in particular is our furthest away point. So this would be this point over here. So the algorithm says we're going to send this point. Next thing we do, now the points are driving there, and now we're busy going here. Now the algorithm says which is the next point of maximum error. It's going to be this point. So it says, okay, I drove there, I drove there, and I drove there. Then what it does is it runs through all the points and looks at the error, and it goes, well, there's virtually no error left here. So the only points in the first place that we're carrying information was this point and this point, and we can throw away all these other points. And that's called our Curve algorithm, and that completely simplifies what data we send through to the server so we can create a perfect digital twin of your vehicle in the cloud, and AI has the best food to feed itself to give you the best possible results.